Hi, my name's Nick Hall and I am one of the DLA's Digital Learning Advisors that looks after your Element sessions. This may be the first time you've actually seen me. However, the reason that you are being asked to create a website is because this will help develop your digital skills alongside your scientific and mathematical and computation skills that you're learning as part of your diploma. Now, because you're in year 2 as well, you will probably be considering moving on to university or further study, or even looking for a job. And this is one way of you being able to show that you are digitally literate, that you can use a computer, and particularly in this case using a website to showcase your work. And this will come in handy if you want to show employers what sort of skills you've got, and also the college as well. So this video is about showing you how to create a website using a tool called Adobe Express. Hopefully you've watched the previous video, and that video will show you how to register an account. And what this video will do is show you how to present your work so that you have a website at the end that myself and your tutors can have a look at and see what work you've done is, if it's correct or not. Okay, so let's begin. So firstly, once you've logged in, you'll face something similar to this. This is the Adobe Express. Looks very complicated. I can assure you it's not. So you go to the left side of the screen and you click on the plus button. You then scroll down and look for web page. You can click on web page. If you can't find it, just type in web page where it says search and it will come up. But it's there, so click on web page, and then basically you're almost halfway there. So you can add a title. I'm going to put Bio Informatics if I can spell it correctly. Very simple. You can put a subtitle if you want to, you don't have to. I'm going to put something, example of my work, or in your case you could put something, answers to a project, whatever. You don't have to put anything there, but it's up to you. Then you scroll down and you pick where you want to put your work. So if you've answered the first question, which I can't remember what it is, but it's something like what is informatics or something, then you can just put a text box, click on text, and you can put here, you could write out the question. So I'll put what is bioinformatics. So you've got a little title there, and you can actually highlight. I think you can highlight it, or put your cursor on it, and then you can do something to the font. Don't spend too much time worrying about the way it's going to look, because you're not a graphic designer. You want to get on with the actual project, which is doing the work. So if I click on that, it might do something, it might not. You can discover and do things as you want. I might just try and do that again. I think there might be H1 means heading, so I can just hit H1 for a heading. So there we go. And then underneath that, you can put another box and say put your answer. So I can put is, let's put a question mark there. Let's get grammatically correct, shall we? Get rid of that. And then I can go back to my text box there, and I can put something like bioinformatics according to is, and then you can put your information in there, and then you go down again, and then you can also put the next question in again. You can answer the question. I don't know what the question is. Something like what does? Oops, I can't. Let's just do that again. Can be a bit fiddly at times. What does bioinformatics do? And then of course you can highlight it. Let's highlight that, and then do H1, or you can do H2, it's up to you. Do H1, then you can put the answer down there. So go ahead and put whatever you want. Now, these little, slightly blocked out, these little things here, you can put extra research in. So I wouldn't worry about these bits here, but I would consider perhaps putting a photo in, putting text in obviously. You can even put a video in. You can click that and you can put a link into a YouTube video, and then it will have the YouTube video. So I'm just going to pause this whilst I find a YouTube video. So I found a video, so I found the link, put the link in there, click save, and with any luck, there you go. What is bioinformatics? It won't play it straight away. So there you go, you've got a website, and you can change anything you want here. You can even put a photo behind there. So I'm going to even try it, type in bioinformatics and see what comes up. Something might come up, something might not. That kind of looks like something relevant, so let's click on that. There we go, and then you've got a bit of a background to have a look at your site. So when you've finished, let's see if we can share it. You click on share, and that will create the option to publish to the web. So publish to the web, and the good news is this is all completely free and Adobe looks after it for you. You can put your name in there, you can put the date in, you can put whatever is the information. I'm going to simply put bio in Formatics. Ta-da. And then you don't have to put that if you want to. It's created by me. If not, it's up to you. Create the link. There you go, publishing your project, and that will publish the website onto Adobe's servers. There you go, there's your link. Copy that, and that's what I want to see. You can send that in the upload option. Actually, be in the forum. If you put it into the forum, then I can click on the link and have a look at it from there. If you think I really don't want to do this at all, I just want to get straight to it and just work on a Word document or PowerPoint, then go ahead, do that. The option is there. Just put the link to your work in the forum rather than upload it. Put a link to your work. So when you created your PowerPoint, save it to your OneDrive and then create a shared link and put that in the forum. Then we can have a look at it that way. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know how it goes. Looking forward to looking at your work, and good luck.